Kate Winslet is no stranger to the spotlight, but her recent frank revelations about her personal life and health are making waves for all the right reasons. At 48, the Oscar-winning actress is opening up about how she's revitalizing her sex drive with testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, and wants other women to take control of their health in the same way. Winslet, who has been married to Edward Abel Smith, formerly known as Ned Rocknroll, for 12 years, says she's feeling sexy again after the treatment, and she's not shy about sharing her journey. The beloved Titanic star, now a mother of 3, has always been vocal about body positivity and the struggles women face as they age. In a recent candid discussion on the How to Fail podcast, Kate Winslet shared a key piece of advice for women who may be struggling with their libido. Her openness and vulnerability are a breath of fresh air in a world where conversations about aging, sexual health, and hormone therapy are often met with shame or silence. Winslet encourages women to understand their bodies better and explore options like testosterone therapy to improve their overall well-being and sexual vitality. During a mini-agony aunt section on the podcast, Winslet responded to a listener's question about how to rediscover their sex drive. With no hesitation, Kate revealed that her own dip in libido was linked to her testosterone levels and that testosterone therapy has made a significant impact on her well-being and sense of sexuality. Sometimes women have a real dip in libido because there might be stuff going on with their thyroid. There could also be stuff going on with your level of testosterone, Winslet explained. A lot of people don't know this, but women have testosterone in their bodies. When it runs out, like eggs, it's gone, and once it's gone, you have to replace it. The concept of testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, is often associated with men, but Winslet is shedding light on its benefits for women, particularly those going through hormonal changes as they age. For Winslet, this treatment has had profound effects, allowing her to reclaim her confidence and sexual energy. "You'll feel sexy again. I know," she affirmed, confidently urging other women to look into the therapy if they're facing similar issues. She also emphasized the importance of getting thyroid levels checked, explaining that hormonal imbalances can have a huge impact on how women feel about their bodies and sex lives, particularly as they age. "It's not your fault," she reassured. "Our bodies are weird and they behave in strange ways, especially as we get older." This conversation is part of a broader message that Winslet has been championing about women's health and empowerment. She's urging women to embrace their bodies and challenge the societal stigma around aging. Rather than shying away from these topics, Winslet believes it's time for women to take control and feel empowered about their health choices. Her frankness about hormone therapy not only normalizes the conversation but also breaks down barriers that prevent women from exploring all their options. Kate's openness about her own body image struggles and health challenges adds even more weight to her advice. Throughout her career, Winslet has faced intense scrutiny over her appearance, but now, she says she's never been more confident in her skin. "I think I look flipping amazing," she declared, reflecting on how society conditions women to fear aging. "We're so conditioned, women, in our 40s to think, oh well, I'm creeping closer to the end. You think you're going into menopause, you'll stop having sex, your boobs are going to sag, and your skin's going to go crappy. First of all, so what? It's just conditioning." Rather than succumbing to the pressures of youthful beauty standards, Winslet believes that women become more powerful, confident, and yes, sexier, as they age. "I think women, as they get older, get juicier and sexier and more embedded in their truth of who they are," she said. "That is an empowering thing." This isn't the first time Winslet has opened up about personal health issues. She previously discussed her struggles with incontinence, which she revealed was triggered by stress. She has also been candid about her experiences with an eating disorder in her early 20s, just as her Hollywood career was taking off. By sharing these experiences, Winslet continues to be a voice of authenticity, encouraging other women to be kind to themselves and embrace their own journeys. As Kate Winslet continues to promote her latest film, Lee, where she portrays the fearless World War II photojournalist Lee Miller, she's making waves not just for her on-screen bravery but for her real-life courage in discussing issues many women face but are often afraid to talk about. Whether it's undergoing testosterone therapy to boost her sex drive or challenging societal norms about aging, Winslet is setting an example for women everywhere. She's not just an award-winning actress, she's a champion of body positivity and a fierce advocate for women taking control of their health and sexuality. As she rightly puts it, brave isn't stripping off on camera. Brave is being a real person. And through her transparency and honesty, Kate Winslet is doing exactly that, showing the world what real bravery looks like.